What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Is Bliss by Last Night. So for this song we have no key push stand tuning and it's at the same chord progression going throughout the whole song. I'm going to show you two parts. One is the open chord and another is the power chord, which I like to use for the chorus. And throughout the whole song we have the same string pattern and also same chord progression as I told you before. So let's hop into it with no further delay. The song is having like a normal typical structure, which starts with a verse, then a pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. It's like that. Goes same throughout the whole song, so I don't want to bother much with the structure. But make sure that for the chorus, like after that Is Bliss, we actually move on to the power chords. But before that, have a look at the chord shapes. It's very important. So the first chord is actually a F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Then the next chord is a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. The next chord is a D minor 7, which is mute mute open second first first. I really love this chord to play that in the open position. And then you have a B flat, which you can play it like this, which is basically 1 3 3 3 1. But you can play it in either ways you want. If you have a lot of problem with the bar chords, drop a comment down below and actually provide you with one of my videos showing you how to master the bar chord. So let's get started. So firstly, I just want to clear up the rhythm because that's the main thing which goes throughout the whole song. So we have, so just keep your hand on the string, left hand, and with this hand, what you're gonna do is you grab a pick and you're gonna follow down 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 down. What I'm doing is on the one, only the ones. I'm actually doing a down, which from the full chord, and on the 2 3 2 3. And the 2 I do a down, which mainly focuses on strumming the top strings. So it's like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, all are downs. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1. And that's basically everything that goes throughout the whole song. So let's have a look at the chord progression, and I also want to show you some small. We have this lick going on in the chorus. This goes for the verse. This also goes for the chorus. So this song is basically in the key of D minor, which means everything is over here. So all the riffs are actually based in that shape from over here to all the way to over here. So let's have a look at the chord progression. We start off with the F major chord, then a C major, then a D minor 7, then a B flat. What you can do is before that B flat, you can just quickly play a C major and move on to the B flat. That's an option, but you can always try that out. So F, C, D minor 7, B flat. So the chord progression, as I told you before, down 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 down. We're just gonna apply that once for each chord, and that goes pretty much for the whole song. So let's play that on the chords. See, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. And that's almost everything. And you move on to the power chords, which is the chorus. Now for this thing, it's actually very easy. The easiest chords to play on guitar are the power chords, consisting of just two notes, the root note and the fifth. So therefore in a power chord we don't have any minor or major stuff. So let's have a look at the first chord, which will be a F power chord. You can see everything right now. It's a 1 on the top string with these two fingers, and with these two fingers you're gonna play third fret on the A and D. And make sure all the strings other than the E, A, D are muted. And that's basically the power chord, so it's very easy. You bring the shape down over here on the 10th fret, and it's actually a D. So it becomes a 10 and then 12, 12. And make sure you always have the other string muted. You bring the shape up 2 frets, it's actually a C, which is 8, 10, 10. And you bring this 3 frets up, it's a 5, 7, 7, which is an A and D. but I think we don't have any A for this song. I'm sorry, as we don't have any A, so don't need to know that, but it's actually better if you know that. Just bring this shape down over here on the 6th fret. It's a 6-8-8, it's a B flat. So you got the B flat. Couple of ways to play the bar chord. You can play the F major chord, just play A, E, D. Same for the B flat. Play the D, G, B, D, A, G if you want. It's a lot of shape to play a bar chord. So basically, make sure you just get one root note, then a 5th, and then this is the option. You can just add the octaves or not. So octave means these both names, both notes are actually same, but the difference is one is in a higher, one is low. So that's it. And with that being said, let's play that same string pattern. Everything goes same. So I like to play over here. Let's start with the F. C, B flat, F, D, F, G, D minor, D, F5, C5, D5, go back to B flat, and that's it. So let's have a look at the small riff we have for the song. So I basically play 6th fret on the B string, 5th fret on the B string, 5th fret on the G string, and I get my index finger bar on that G and B string, and then with my middle finger I do that thing 6 5 5 6 5 5, and make sure you always do with your pick down up down down up down 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 down, and that we can actually speed up. That's one short riff, and another riff we have which is on that scale wave we had. So we actually do a hammer on from the 10th fret to the 12th fret on G string. Then we play 10th fret on the B string. Then we play 12th fret on the G string. Then back to 10th fret on the G string. Then we play with our pinky 13th fret on the B string. And then we play 10th fret on the G string once. And that actually goes in a sequence, in a loop for the whole chorus part. So you got the first part, and you move on, and it goes on a loop. Make sure you just have a small pause over here. So you got. We have this lick. I think we have. Another lick on that pentatonic scale is we have a 10th fret on the D string. We actually do a hammer on from 10 to 12 on the D string, and then we play G string 10th fret, and we just get that going throughout. A lot like this one. And that's almost everything. There are more small licks we have in the song, but that's just a very small thing. That's it for the song. So if this tutorial makes you drop me one of these, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.